In this video, I'm going to be answering the question if you can use a gift card on Urban Outfitters. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is head on over to urbanoutfitters.com. And now for this demonstration, I'm just going to put a random product into my cart and check out with it. So I'm just going to choose this t-shirt, choose my size, color, and I'm just going to add this to my bag. Now I'm going to click on view bag. I've got a hoodie in there. I'm going to remove that. Add to bag, view bag. You can put a promo code on Urban Outfitters. So I'm happy with this. So I'm going to continue to checkout. I'm going to check out as a guest. I've already pre-selected all my shipping stuff. So now I want to continue to payment. And now once we're in the payment section, this is where you should be able to add that gift card, or if they do offer gift cards for Urban Outfitters. So as we can see here, select payment type. They've got credit card, PayPal, or GPay. So there's no option here to use a gift card in this point of time. So they might add this feature in down the track, but for now there's no way to add in a gift card, so they don't offer any gift cards for urbanoutfitters.com. But that's not to say they might change that in the future. So depending when you're watching this video, they might add that in.